Hey guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage today. Before I tell you what I'm doing today, hit like, hit share this video. What I'm doing today I'm going to finish up molding on the Civic. We did all the vinyl cover and everything. Now we're going to have to just touch up this, this silver here. You clean it up, paint it and everything. Now I'm trying to get some of the molding over here in the corner. So before we keep going, hit like, hit share this video, thumbs up. Thank you very much. It's a dyno day coming up this Sunday, and I'm trying to do my best to be out there with my guys to see if I can put the CRX or the S2000, one of the two guys, into the dyno for 50 bucks, see how much horsepower comes out of the blue. I don't know, let's see what happens, right? Well, let me get into this. Alright guys, so I'm done wrapping the whole thing. As you can see, I wrap the window because I want to hit this real quick, see how that comes out. I want to do that. I want to do the bottom one. Everything else on the car has been done already. See how this one is? This is the only one that I might do later on, but those are done already. And that looks good. You're gonna have to redo this later. And basically what I'm using for, let me see. Oh, where is it? Right here. So basically what I'm using for this is this right here. There's the part number right there and everything. And this is what I'm using to paint that. So I'm gonna start doing that right now. Let's see how it comes out. Hey guys, and welcome back. So what I've done, as you can see, I had everything all nice and covered, and I finished. I just waiting to dry out. Came out pretty good. No silver left over. I did the bottom end too. I did that top end, and I did this right here. This, I got a little bit of run over here, a little bit of run over there, but besides that, it came out pretty good for what it was looking like. Here we go, guys. This is the final chapter on the vehicle. Car looks amazing. We have all the black already painted. It looks real good. Matched the front, master rear, master oil thing. That product is real awesome. I got the trim the way I wanted it. In the factory. Now I got another day. To the other side. I got to take these apart right here and paint that up. And of course we're gonna have to redo the bumper, and we're gonna have to do this right here on this side, and we're gonna have to do the roof. See over there, it's gonna messed up, and that's it. And the rear bumper too. Alright guys, I'm back with a good camera. So I did the whole thing right here. Look how it came out. Came out pretty dang good, right? Oh man, I love it. I love how everything came out good. No more silver wiper blades or nothing like that. All this is nice and black. And look, I finished that right here. See, it's little things like this that make your ride looks a lot 10 times better. You know what I mean? You don't have to spend a ton of money on stuff like this. And this upgrade that we did, we spent about maybe $600 because we didn't know what we were doing on the wrap, and now we got the handle of it, and we got plenty. A box right there. We have more wrap right there that we're gonna touch up the bumpers and all that stuff. But you know, in all this construction that he did, I can tell you right now, he got the car. When we bought this car, when I bought the car, I got it for free. Manny bought it for me for $1,200 already running. So let's go with Manny's route. Manny bought it for $12,000 running, with new tires, a bunch of other stuff already done. He spent after that $600 on the wrap, plus he spent $300 on the bumpers. He also spent maybe $60 in the front bumper, lip, and 60 in the rear. Fog light with like $50. This is like maybe $30. You know what I mean? And it looks amazing. You know, the paint cans are like maybe $10 a can, and labor. You know, this is it, bro. After you get it all wrapped up, look how your car can be. So you can literally have you've seen the videos before, how the car used to look now. And the car looks 10 times better. You know what I mean? 10 times better. Look at this. Look how beautiful the car looks. I mean, so you can get something like that, you can wrap it and make it look like that for less than $1,000 if you got the right thing. I mean, this is a different monster. It's a turbo monster right there. Or something like the Integra. You can get the Integra, bring it in here, fix all the dents, and then wrap it, and then, you know what I mean? You go from there. The interior's all in there. Of course, I got the seats of the S2000 right here. They're going to go in that car right there. I also have, where is it? It's still on the car. The other seat, they're going to go there. What else? We're going to replace the steering wheel. We're going to do a bunch of other interior stuff later on. We're going to get those wrapped. But with this car, next thing he's going to buy headlights and buy wheels, and we're going to start after that working on the B18 that we have back there, and then the seats are going to go in. I don't know what kind of wrap interior thing he's doing, but that's what it is. Well guys, for now I'm saying goodbye. Don't forget, if you're in Fort Myers, again, if you're in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, you need to go to this. And I'm launching this. Yeah, that's gonna be this weekend. So, all right, guys. See you guys later. Oh yeah, before I go, I want to show you something. Yesterday, I wanted it. I don't know. I feel like frisky to do some stupid shit, right, in the car after I got it done. And I wish I had the camera. I went around the block and I came back through. And you see that mark right there? landmark. Follow it. That was a Civic. That was that blue Civic. All right, guys. Now I can say goodbye. See you later, guys. Bless you. If you got something to say, put it in the comment. You know, my email's always going to be in places like this. There's the S2 that might be working next week or next video. You're going to see me working on replacing the bottom seat. So I'll have a nice interior to a point. Next thing, we got to go to a junkyard to get frame for this, because I don't want to use this frame. I want to use it for another car, so in case we take those to get replaced, we still have good seats to put on the car. And then I don't know what he's going to do in the interior yet. But guys, God bless you. See you guys later. Bye bye. Oh yeah, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Adios.